Alright, if you're looking at this record here, you'll see that this item has one electronic portfolio, but the ePortfolio is not part of the collection, and this one needs to be part of the Gale Virtual Reference Library. Let me go back here. I'm going to put in the ISBN number for this guy, and you'll see that there's actually two of these in our catalog, and the one on top is part of Gale Opposing Viewpoints in Context. So we have the same resource in two different databases. The one on the bottom is the one that's not part of Gale Virtual Reference Library, and so what we want to do is have the one that's part of GVRL attached to this record here. So this record here, that is a community zone record, which you can tell because this says CKB right there, is the one that we want to have two electronic portfolios and two collection names. And we want the record number 2 on the bottom to go away. And what we're going to do here is we're going to click on Portfolio List for record number 2 and link to Community. And you're going to see that here's the Gale Opposing Viewpoints in Context. Here is the welfare book, and this is the one that was, it says click here to view in institution. It has this icon. We're going to select the record number 3, not the one that has the institution icon. And this one is part of Gale Cengage Virtual Reference Library. We're going to click on Next, and then click Next, and then click Next again, and link to Community. And you get a message saying it's successfully linked. We're going to search by ISBN number again. And you'll see what happened here is that the record that wasn't part of the eCollection, we added it to the Gale Cengage Virtual Reference Library. And since we linked it to the community zone, here's the community zone record. And we have 2 electronic portfolios and 2 collections for this resource. Alright, and the other thing you'll recall is that the other record, we had copied the OCLC number. And you'll notice if you go back up here and you search by that OCLC number for record number 2, that record is actually gone because we linked it to the community zone. And so now we're done. We have one record for the item, and we have 2 portfolios, and one portfolio is part of Gale Opposing Viewpoints, and the other portfolio is part of Gale Cengage Virtual Reference Library.